Welcome children, and today we are going to learn Pythagoras equation and also this Pythagoras equation, how it is collaborated with the similar triangles, and when a Pythagoras equation right angle triangles are collaborated with the other right angle triangles, what is the consequences, what is the new analysis that you can able to get. So let's come for a Pythagoras equation. This Pythagoras equation, Pythagoras has developed a relationship between three sides of a right angled triangle. Remember, Pythagoras has developed an equation between a relationship between the three sides of a right angled triangle. So let me draw one right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. You know, a triangle is said to be right angle if one of its angle measures 90 degree or right angle. Now ABC is a right angle triangle because its angle B measures 90 degree, and the two sides by which the 90 degree is made, of that one is your base and one is your perpendicular. I have taken BC is base and the short name I took B, and AB I took perpendicular, the short name is B, and the side which is just opposite to 90 degree AC, it is a hypotenuse, that is H. Don't confuse, H is not height, H is hypotenuse. Height you will again perpendicular only called height, but I am not using the letter here H, I took perpendicular, it is P. And the relationship between these three sides of a right angle triangle being established by Pythagoras, what way he said that P square plus B square will be H square. This perpendicular square plus base square will be resulting hypotenuse square. Sum of squares of the two sides which make a 90 degree is equal to square of the third side of the right angle triangle. So I wrote P square plus B square is equal to H square. Ultimately H square is equal to P square plus B square. So square root I took out this square sign, so ultimately H is equal to root over of P square plus B square. So while making H is the subject, I got this is first equation, and in the same equation if I make P is the subject, I will get this is the second equation, and from the same equation if I make B the subject, I will be getting the third equation. Okay, so let's have relation with similar triangles. So here is a right angle triangle. I wrote once again ABC. So you know, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and one angle is here 90 degree. The sum of other two will be one more 90 degree. Let me consider, say this example, for example, this is 30 degree, for example 30. Then ultimately sum of the other two is 90, 30, and this will be ultimately 60 degree. I took that one, for example 30, because this is 90, if this is 30, this is 60. If this is 40, this will be 50. Okay, let it. Now from B I will draw a perpendicular. I will draw a perpendicular from B on AC. From B I will draw a perpendicular on AC. This is, say, this point B, D. What is BD? BD is perpendicular from B on AC. Because it is perpendicular, it will be making 90 degree with AC. I will make here 90 degree sign here, 90 degree sign here. Now here total we got, this is one right angle triangle, this is one right angle triangle, and ABC is one more right angle triangle. Three right angle triangles. Coming to the right angle triangle DBC, only focus on this triangle DBC. Here one of the angle is 90, this is 90 degree, this is 60, so ultimately these angles will come 30. This is 90, this is 60, so ultimately this is 30 because it is right angle triangle. Similarly, going to the triangle ABD, in ABD already this is 90 degree, this total is 90 but this part is 90. In this triangle ADB, this is 90, this is 30, so ultimately this angle will be 60. So the upper part of the angle is 60, down part of this triangle angle is 30, total it is 90. So this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle, and a total one also right angle triangle. So we have three right angle triangles. So let's make similarity of first and second, similarity between second and third, similarity between first and third. So what is coming here? Well, let me draw three pairs of right angle triangle. This is a pair of right angle triangle where I will put this is 90, this is 90, say this is 60, this is 30, and this is 60, this is 30. Another pair of right angle I will make again. Another pair of right angle. Again, this is 90, this is 90, this is 60, this is 30, this is 60, this is 30. And another pair of triangle, right angle triangle. This is 90, this is still 30, this is 60, and here also this is 90, this is 30, this is 60. Let me name, first one is ABC. This is ABC. In these two, say, another here I will use again ABC, because ABC, A30, B90, C60, A30, B90, C60. And here I will draw ADB triangle. In ADB triangle, 90 degree position ADB triangle, D is here. In ADB triangle, A is 30, so I put A30, ADB. This will be our B. And coming to the here, I will take down triangle, DBC, D is 90 degree, D is 90 degree, and DBC, B is 30, B is 30 here, B, and DBC, C is 60, C is 60. These two triangles, I will keep here, BDC, this is BDC triangle, and that is ADB, ADB. So I got here one pair of similar triangle, here I got another pair of similar triangle, here another pair of similar triangle. All are similar under condition angle, because they have 30 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. And let me extract what are the similar sides. Coming to this case, these two triangles are similar. Let's see which side is common. Here AD, DB, AB. Here AB, BC, AC. Here AB is there and here also AB there. Just mark that one. This is AB, this is AB. So if these two are similar, then you have it. This is AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to second side. AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to third side. DB by BC. DB by BC. But here one of the side AB is common there. Taking these two together, if you cross multiply AB into AB, AB square will be equal to AC into AD. Similarly, coming to here, the side BC is common. Here BC there, here BC is there. But this triangle is similar to this triangle. So, while writing BC by AC, BC by AC is equal to BC by BC, BC by BC is third side, BD by AB, BD by AB. Take only these two into consideration because BC there, BC into BC, BC square is equal to AC into BC, AC into BC. Coming to here, your common side is here BD and here BD there. So we will be writing BD by AD. BD by AD is equal to DC by DB. DC by DB that equals to BC by AB. You can write any one of the fraction front and back, but to get AB square I have written like this. I have chosen this way. Now here, this one is cut. These two take into consideration. When you take these two into consideration, BD into BD that will come BD square. BD into DB that is again this is also BD. BD square equals to AD into BC. So this is what these are the three different relations that you can able to extract in this particular triangle ABC. Once you will draw a perpendicular from B on AC. So basing on this one, you can able to work out other sums in the exercises. Thank you all.